Fresh from an awesome weekend at Tiny Fest, we hit the road again. Next stop, Sedona, Arizona. But before we hit the city for groceries, water, and laundry, we took a small detour. We wanted to check out this free campsite we found on the iOverlander app. Apparently back in the day, there used to be loads of camping spots along Forest Service Road 525, but now unfortunately they're all closed. But don't worry, there are plenty of big marked camping areas along the road. Here's the cool part, the further in you go, the fewer people there are. Plus, there's an epic view of the incredible Red Mountains. So follow us along this journey as we explore Arizona.
You see that? Don't do that. No. Bad. Gotta get some water for the van. We are on E. Alright, so as you can see, we were doing our laundry. We had everything timed out, put our stuff in the dryer, went to get water. It was only 2 minutes away. And these owners put the water on a timer, so now we can't get water until after 8 p.m.
Yeah, or before 10 a.m. So rather
You can't see us, we're kind of black.
Yeah, rather than waiting until after 8, we're probably just gonna come back in the morning and fill up our water tank.
Before 10 a.m.
Yeah, but right now we don't have any water, so we gotta
None.
figure out what to eat that doesn't involve making a lot of dishes and a mess.
Or we just gonna have a lot of dishes until we can get water.
Yeah.
So now we're sitting here waiting for our clothes, and yeah.
We have made it to our camping spot for the night.
Turn that down.
What?
The light is bright. Jeez.
Tonight for dinner, we're gonna have some spinach and feta chicken sausages. We don't have any water or fresh water in our water tank, so we can't really cook stuff, so that requires water. So this is our only meal option that we have to cook for tonight. Yeah, but yeah, that's just the type of things you gotta consider when you're doing van life, is how low is your water, where are you gonna go and fill up your water. It's just a lot, but we're getting through it.
Snack time.
We woke up and we came to the same spot we came to yesterday. It's about like 8 a.m. right now. It seems like the pump is working, so I guess the hours kind of update from time to time, but right now it seems like on Monday or Sunday you have to get it after 8, but as long as you come in the morning before 10, I think the pump should be on, so you should be able to fill up.
I couldn't get it open. Thanks. I don't want y'all to be thinking that I just be sitting in here doing nothing while he does all the work. Even if I do, even if that is the case, I don't want y'all to be thinking that. Y'all didn't watch me do laundry yesterday. Fold all the laundry, clean the van, do dishes, etc. So just know, I have my chores. He just has his outside. Lunch. So we're currently at a state park. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, actually we're at Dead Horse Ranch State Park. And we are going to pay for a camp spot tonight, even though we've been staying in a free spot for the last 5 days, because it was so cloudy for like the last 3 days, and it's been raining, that our solar panels weren't getting any solar, so our batteries went all the way to 0%. So we need to connect to shore power so that we can get our batteries back up to 100% and get them charged properly, and then we'll go back to the free campsite after that. So Lawrence is inside paying for the camp spot now, but yeah.
We are 87. She drew me a map. We are staying in Cooper's Hawk Loop. She gave me this. There's electrical and water. It was $30 a night. She said that it does get freezing temperatures, so to make sure you disconnect your water at night. I don't think we'll have that problem. And then there's some trails and some lagoon stuff around here.
I'm okay.
Well, she said there's easy trails that you can walk on. Checkout is 12 tomorrow, but we can still stay longer, even though, like, we got checkout. Like, we can stay in the park longer. Just jump
Ready?
over here.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. How you feeling? This is a much easier hike than we did yesterday. It's all flat, going around a couple of lakes with mountain views. The sun's out, it's not too hot.
Sun's out.
And it is pretty cold, but with the
It's
sun,
not too bad.
with the sun, it's nice.
Plus 50.
Yeah, I like it. We just walked 1 mile. Now we got 2.6 miles left. Okay, I'm joking.
Oh, you freaking lying.
I'm joking.
It keeps getting more.
We got 1.5 miles left.
First it was only 1 mile, then it was 2 miles, now it's 2.6 miles? No.
No, it's 2.6 miles in total.
It's getting worse and worse.
That's good then. Well, this concludes the time in Arizona. Right now we're headed to Laguna Beach to spend time with Duran, Dyonna's best friend, and yeah.
And it's bumpy!
This is Dyonna's second off-road experience. We're leaving the desert of Arizona. Well, anyway, if you like this video, make sure you
Like,
and
comment,
and
subscribe,
and don't forget to put on those push notifications so that way you get notified each time we put out a new video.
and as always,
Thanks for doing life with us.